Hey guys, how you doing? I'm back and I want to talk about how my last few weeks have been. I'm going to talk about my basic science classes, my exams, and what lies ahead. Things have been going pretty well, and here's a quick recap to show you how it's been.
Physical barrier, their skin has been compromised, so the integrity is diminished, and now they're more susceptible to infection. So
Headed down to the basement of the library so I can learn how to take vitals for the first time. I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I hope it goes well. We'll see. All right, we just finished our vital signs.
Yeah. It was awesome.
How was it?
I felt really good about it. It made me feel like a real doctor. I'm still learning, but it's like a good learning.
All right.
Definitely need to practice, but yeah, I'm excited.
Okay. So just introduce yourself real quick.
Hi, I'm Stacia Hollingsworth.
Hi, I'm Ryan Martin. I'm Nay.
I'm T. I'm Genesis.
All right, and we just did we checked our vital signs today.
Yes, we checked our vital signs.
Yeah.
Cool.
Really well. What y'all think about it?
It was fun, but it was more difficult than what I thought it would be.
Okay.
For sure. We're learning still. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
First time.
Definitely more technical.
Yeah.
A little
A
more
lot more technical because the way the nurses do it makes it seem so easy.
Yeah.
And then when you actually try to do it, it's like, shout out to all the nurses. Right. Shout out to the nurses. Y'all are the realest.
Okay. All right.
It was alright.
Better than last time.
Yeah. What do you think? How'd you feel?
Yeah, it was okay.
How you feel?
Okay.
Feel good? Okay. All right. So how are things coming so far?
It's okay. Yeah, we're about to go do a triad call.
So, I need to go do health coaching too.
Yeah.
I'm not doing health coaching.
Okay, cool. All right.
All right, go ahead.
Today was really cool because we had like a pediatric patient, so I learned a lot about like what's normal and abnormal for like babies, which is a lot of stuff that I didn't know. So I thought that was cool.
Yeah. She did ask me how long I've been since I've been a baby, and I was like,
It was really intensive. Like we got really into a lot of the history about the parents and the baby and a lot of the clinical stuff. So there's that.
And it was interesting, like having it where it's like you're not actually interacting with the actual patient, but you're doing it like interacting with the caretaker of the patient, which is like different. We hadn't done that yet.
So I'm here. What is this? This is a Wednesday morning and about to do CPR training. I've never done it before, so we'll see how it turns out. All right, so I just finished my CPR training. I passed the assessment at the end, so I must have paid attention. It went well. I pressed some mannequins and some baby mannequins, and I learned how to respond to people who have no pulse and how to respond to kids who are choking.
This is the neural defense. Yeah.
Yes.
Defense in your neural tube. And the only one so if your anterior neural cord does not close, then you'll have encephaly. Encephaly.
Part of the brain or the whole?
Yeah.
The entire.
It didn't really is.
How do y'all feel?
Ooh, I'm looking a little busted, but it's over. It's over. It's above us now. It's above us.
It's above us. All right.
It's not a dream. Where's the dream?
So y'all got grades back and everything?
Nope. So today went well. I completed HMX, which stands for the Harvard Medical Exchange online courses that I had to take. That was covering genetics and covered physiology. After we did that, we had to take an on-campus exam, which was a little bit different because it had a little bit more information outside of the HMX courses that we had to take. It was supposed to resemble board-like questions when we took the exam. So don't know how well I did, but I feel good about it, and we'll see what happens. After that, I participated in a research study where the second years were looking to see what type of learning style or learning environment was conducive to learning dermatology. And they did a pre-test and post-test, and we learned some information, and they wanted to see how the two different groups did, whether it was lecture and simulation or just simulation. I think it was a well-designed experiment, so hopefully their research goes well. I'm about to get a haircut and rest this weekend. I have a research paper I need to edit, and I need to rest.
No greater love than this.
Okay, so my weeks have been going pretty okay. I've been taking about 4 exams up to the last time I talked to you. And from the most part, the exams have been pretty straightforward. I took an in-house exam, which was not too bad. I did pretty well on that one. And then I took 2 online courses from the Harvard Medical Exchange. Harvard Medical Exchange is a set of online courses from Harvard Medical School. And from there, they've taken select subjects from these genetics and physiology courses, and they've covered select topics from them. We took an online course on genetics and physiology last week. What we did was pretty straightforward. It was just questions from the course that we took on the exam. Pretty easy. But then Mahari gave us NBME style questions. Now, these are styled questions that are in standardized form, and NBME stands for National Board of Medical Examiners. And these are the type of questions that I will be seeing when I start taking my medical boards to become a doctor. But the problem with that is I needed to know more information beyond HMX to really do well on that exam. So we'll see how well I score on it. Hopefully I do well, but I'm gonna cross my fingers and hope for the best. Now, for what I've done since then is I've done health coaching. Health coaching training is a little tedious. It takes up a lot of time, and it is geared to helping us become better physicians. I have been behind on it. I've been putting off the modules, but they gave us extra time to do it. And I'll talk a little bit more about what health coaching is later, but just to give you a synopsis, it's basically geared to working with the client and helping them realize the goals that they want to achieve and helping them realize what they need to do to get there. So, as of right now, I have an exam coming this Friday on new material covering pharmacokinetics, covering I believe immunology, and a little bit of anatomy. So I'm gonna go study that before classes on Monday so I can be a little bit more familiar with the material before I see it for the first time during lecture. Okay, next time you see me, I will have completed that exam and I will have done my white coat ceremony. But until then, y'all take care, have a great day.
They should be first team.
What's the video?
Oh.
Why are you whispering?
You have a vlog?
It's okay, guys. What y'all think about that?
Oh, it's recording. Oh.
Yeah.